Swartland is a family-owned business that started out in about 1951 in a small town just north of Cape Town in the Western Cape called Maritzburg. We're a proud manufacturer of doors, windows and mouldings in South Africa, and we're one of the biggest companies in the world that makes these products. Swartland prides itself on its green aspects and its carbon footprint, and we've got three aspects that we focus on. The first is the sourcing of our timber. We ensure that all of our timber is sourced from sustainable forests. We harvest ukumi, which we source from Africa, which is up in Gabon. And only one tree every 25 years, every 25 hectares may be felled. And we ensure that the mills follow these practices so that in 100 years' time, 1,000 years' time, these forests will be around for our children and our children's children. And this also helps prevent global warming and the deforestation of our beautiful rainforests. So that's very, very important to us. Another one of the main focuses that we are very excited about at Swartland is reducing our carbon footprint. We make sure not only to cut costs, but also to be green, that we reduce waste. Every little piece of wood that is chopped off in our factory and falls onto the factory floor, even the sawdust is used again. The tiny little bits of wood are scooped up and they're put into our kilns, which form steam and dry out the timber. That makes the timber fantastic for use in the South African climate. We dry it out to 8% equilibrium moisture content, so you don't have the problem of the timber shrinking when it gets dry and warping and cracking, which is a major problem that we face in the country at the moment. Another one of the things that we do is we manufacture products that follow strict energy efficiencies. As you can see over here, we put rubber seals into our doors and our windows. This is fantastic for insulation. It prevents airflow from seeping through the doors, drafts, and it really lowers the U value of the product. We also use double glazing in our products, which is also wonderful. Very good U values we get with those products. Also very good for safety and security and noise reduction. And we've also recently launched another product that's called pre-seal and pre-glaze. And what that is that from our factory, the product is sealed all 6 sides with a special sealant that prevents moisture and can help prevent dry rot in the long term. Also, the glazing is already installed in the product, so you don't have the need of a lot of contractors on site glazing. You literally get the product as is and pop it into the hole for the door or the window. And we've had a lot of really good feedback and results with this. It's fantastic for contractors and also the do-it-yourself homeowner. You don't have a problem if it rains on site, maybe the timber gets wet, it's already sealed, so that's really fantastic. And we're working on a lot of other really great things, which is why we're at the Green Building Conference, so we can see what other people are doing, what's happening in the industry, what's happening internationally, and where we need to move as a construction and building industry into the future. And we want to make sure that we stay ahead and we remain top of our game and the benchmark for the industry. So we're very, very excited, and we want to make sure that these products remain at the forefront of our research, development and new product launches. If you have any questions, you can get hold of us on our website www.swartland.co.za and contact us via customer service. We've got really, really great and knowledgeable sales reps. They'll quote directly to builders, directly to the development sites, give really good prices. They'll do measuring, they'll help through the entire process of installing the doors and the windows. And our Cape Culture products, which are top of the range products, are guaranteed for a lifetime. So even once the site is handed over to the homeowner, they can give us a call. Our product is not working, the door's sticking a little bit, and one of our site reps will attend to that homeowner and assist them with the product. Even if the product is maybe built in incorrectly and it's not necessarily a factory problem, we will help and make sure that the end user is ultimately satisfied with the Swartland products. Thank you.